Pancakes and coffee, my favorite. Good morning, guys. It's day number 7. We're here at Davis Mountain State Park here in Texas. And today we're gonna do a scenic drive, probably check out the interpretive center. Nice day.
And put color.
Well, let's go explore this park.
Skincare is not negotiable.
All right, we're right here and we're gonna take the Skyline Drive all the way down, stopping at all these viewpoints. But first we're gonna pass by here, the interpretive center. They got a table right here for puzzles. They got a table right here to check out these skulls. They got some backpacks you can check out. They got a video. And all the way over here, they got a window where you could observe the birds.
Are you hungry? Here, what's it? Mommy, are you hungry? Look at the pumpkins.
And then over here, they got clean bathrooms. We're at a scenic overlook. Let's go.
Yeah, the haystack. Look, it's there. It's over there.
Yeah. Look, a blue mountain. Look, there's the Indian Lodge. Look, there's McDonald's. Let's get some chicken nuggets.
What?
Yeah.
I thought it's McDonald's Observatory.
All right, so we're on the old CCC trail, and this is where we're at, right at the end. All right, we're gonna leave the park and head over to Alpine. It's about a 40-minute drive. We're gonna go check out some murals.
Jacob, what did you say, Jasmine?
I told them that we're at McDonald's. I hate you.
Well, it is a McDonald's. McDonald's Observatory Center. See, McDonald's.
Yeah. See, so technically, Jacob's not lying because we're at McDonald's Observatory.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Across to Presidio and then up to Fort Davis.
We got some information from the visitor center. We're gonna go check out some murals. Let's go.
Greetings from Alpine! This is one of the horrible and weapons are impossible. Hey, don't get the gun. Why is this so bad for candy cigarettes?
Yeah.
Look at this! Look at this! Ah! Look at it! You
guys happy now, huh?
Yeah, what?
Dude, check out this pretzel I got. Is it good?
Oh,
It's a sweet pretzel. What's the color in there?
I got last one.
Woo. What's up, guys? We just got back from Alpine. It was fun. We saw some murals. We went to a grocery store called Porter's, and I picked up some beer. Check it out. That's what I got right here. Is this stuff any good? What do you guys from Texas think? Is this like good stuff? Is this like the Whataburger fast food? You know how you guys be like, hey, Whataburger's the best burger. Is it really? Cheers. I'm wrapping up the vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.